Before we get started, I wanted to pause for a minute and say Happy Father's Day to my father-in-law, Judge Michael, and to my stepfather, Andrew. Today in United States, we celebrate Father's Day, so I wanted to wish you both Happy Father's Day. I love you both very, very much, and I want to tell you how much I appreciate you both. Happy Father's Day.
Hello, welcome back to Marta from Sparta. In today's video, we will make a little bit more of summer accessories, which can be used multiple ways. I've been seeing a lot of fun, natural looking summer accessories, and I was thinking like, how about we gonna use wood beads? They are so gorgeous, and I have idea how to use them in a little bit different way than earring, necklaces, or headbands. So the first accessory which we gonna do, it will be wood bead bows, and they gonna be fun as a shoe clips, as a bag clips, as a ponytail clips. Again, use your imagination, and to be actually even more interesting, we will stick on the trend because, as you know from my previous videos, bows are really trendy motifs this summer. So we will use something more natural, but also combine it with the latest trend, which are bows motifs. In order to make a bows as a shoe clips or bag clips or even pony, I have decided to choose a wire which is a little bit larger gauge because I thought that it will be a lot of movement, and I thought that the simple beading string won't be able to hold the weight and the movement when we walk or when it's gonna be on our hair. And also I chose larger size of wood beads, which means that in order to keep a bow shape, I need something stronger. I need some more stiffer and stronger wire. So this video is not to teach you how to make a bow. I'm just showing you idea how to use and make fun accessories. And if you want to learn how to make a bow, please refer to the video which I made a few weeks ago, and I show specifically in this video how to make a bow from the beads. In this case, it's a wood beads. In the video from a few weeks ago, I made a pearl beads bow, which you can see actually on my neck right here on this video. I'm wearing the necklace, bow necklace, which I made a few weeks ago to follow the latest summer trend. So use the beads, which wood beads in the color you want. Please don't suggest yourself with what I'm doing. Again, I am doing what's best for me and what fits my wardrobe and what I already have in my closet, and it's cohesive with stuff which I already have. And you can buy those beads in Joann's, Michael's Craft Store, Amazon, in variety of sizes. So I'm gonna make two sets of beads, bows I mean. I'm gonna make a large bow and I'm gonna make a small bows. So again, it's fairly easy process. Watch the video from a few weeks ago how to make a bead bow. Also, there is a lot of other tutorials obviously on YouTube how to make a bead bow. You can watch mine or other people, everyone using different techniques. I do what works for me. The reason why I decided to do also a small wood bead bow is I was thinking sometimes maybe I don't want to have very statement accessory I want to have something smaller but and cute, and maybe I'm gonna use it on my flip-flops or slides, and I don't want necessarily to have always like a big statement wood bow. So I made 2 sets of them, and I'm planning to use them also on my bags, in my hair, and potentially clip them on my clothes or jeans. So again, use your imagination. Sky is the limit. Don't limit yourself to clip them only on the shoes or slides or flip-flops. Once we're gonna be done with making our bow, unfortunately in this case the glue gun won't work to attach the clip to it. So the shoe clips, they have 2 holes, 2 openings. So what I did, I used the same wire which I used to make bows, and went few times around and tied it in the back of the shoe clip. If you're gonna try to use the glue gun, it will stay for a few minutes, but because the beads are round, and I don't know, maybe the glue doesn't stick that much to the clip, they were really not holding. So what I did, I used 2 holes which are on the shoe clips, and I tied it in the back, and I tied the center bead to the back of my clip. And I also wanted to make sure that when I walk and there is a lot of motion and shaking, if I will use the glue gun, they're not gonna fall off and I'm gonna be embarrassed. So that's why I tied them super strong. My puppy photobombed my photo shoot with my product. He's very cute and he's still in training, so he's all over the place.
So this is one more bag I made, and I will show you in the video obviously how to, and I'm planning to use one of the shoe clips to add it to the bag, and it's super simple and easy. You just clip it in. You can basically clip it in somewhere in the middle, whatever you want. So that's that. And I also used one of the clips I made and made kind of like a brooch slash hair clip if you wanna go to the beach or match your shoes. Sky is the limit, and I obviously chose the natural raffia, natural with natural. I love the colors, and I'm working on one more thing, and that will be it.
So the next project we will do, it will be rhinestone monogrammed raffia bag. I saw this type of bag on one of the designers website, and I really loved it, but price was ridiculous, and it's so simple to do it. You basically purchase rhinestones, you draw your monogram on the bag like you see on the video, and you hot glue them on the bag following design and drawing you made. And it doesn't have to be the monogram, you can draw anything you want on it. I was really obsessed with the bag which I saw online. It looked gorgeous, but the price tag was crazy on it, so I said, oh my goodness, I can make this bag in literally few minutes. So I used permanent marker, I draw my first letter of my name, and I hot glue rhinestones on top of the bag. And I didn't use the rhinestones with a metal back on it. I used this cheap plastic rhinestones because I wanted something flat, and those are really sitting really flat and really nicely on the bag. So I would recommend buying those. And the third actually project, we will make again shoe clips, hair clips, brooch, whatever you're gonna use it for, and we're gonna use burlap. And I saw earrings made out of burlap, and they looked beautiful. Rose earrings. I'm not sure actually if they made from burlap. I think they were made from raffia. And I thought, well, like I don't like huge earrings like that. I am not a big earring person, but this is just personal preference. And I said, how about I'm gonna make some summer accessories, and I'm gonna use, instead of raffia, I'm gonna use burlap, and I'm gonna make similar roses. And again, I'm gonna clip them on anything, on my bag, as a brooch, in my hair. Sky is the limit. Again, use your imagination. I know I'm repeating myself. Stop. Use your imagination. Don't limit yourself to the shoe clips. So again, this video is not a tutorial how to make the rose. I made tutorial how to make this type of rose few weeks ago, so please check this video. This video is just an idea for fun accessory using the same technique we already used a few weeks ago, and we were making denim flowers. So I will link the video below, and you can watch that video to see how exactly to make this type of rose. And the only tip which I have as far as the burlap goes, I went to Home Depot and I bought like traditional burlap which you use in the gardening, and actually it's not thick it's too thick. It wasn't working for the roses. So then I purchased another burlap which was way cheaper, and it was on Amazon, and it was very thin, which was way easier to use and make roses. As a middle of the rose, I use a wood bead, so it looked super fun and amazing. I am obsessed, and I think that's what one of the favorite accessories I made for this summer.
So super adorable.
And this is my silky chewy. The moment when I started the photo shoot, she actually wanted some attention, and she's gorgeous. She's a pullet I just got, and I said, why not, Chewy? You can be on my photo shoot and you can see all the accessories we made. They look amazing. They look very earthy, natural, and they go with our raffia accessories we made in the last video, and I am obsessed with every single of them. Thank you for watching, and I have another fun trend which we will address next week. Stay tuned.
And hey, if you have expensive taste like me and you want to keep your bank account happy as well, this is a place for you. See you next week.